Okay, knock that down out. Now we come on over here and feed it onto our wire. Okay, now you then push the box in, and again I like to leave about 8 inches out for working purposes, and then what we do is we take some little screws and we'll screw in these holes right here to hold this box in, which I can use a little longer screw today because I'm not going to screw into a drawer. It'll only screw into it'll just be screwing into it'll be screwing into the side of the dishwasher, which gives it plenty of room. So I'm going to go ahead and put a screw in right there. One sec here, guys. And again, you can use a cordless and I'm just this time going to use my screwdriver. And there it is. There's one screw. I'll put another one down in that bottom corner. What I was meaning by a longer screw, we might be all right with one of those, like about a 1 inch, because it's not gonna, shouldn't hurt in any way, be in the way and hurt the dishwasher in the way. So I'm going to go ahead and put this screw in real quick, guys, and go with that. So, and the cover will cover these screws up. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, the dishwasher won't go back that far anyhow. So I'm going to go ahead and put all 4 of them in, guys, just so this box don't ever try to want to come out. And I'll show it to you here as soon as I get these in. Okay, and this is where kind of critical. You don't want to put you don't want to make this box too big, because see here where I had to, right here, you want to just trace the box out with a pencil that big, and that's all you want to cut it out, because you need to leave enough wood so that you can screw these ears down like I've done. Okay guys, cool. All right, now, man, and sorry about the camera, guys. We'll edit it better. Okay, so I strip a piece off with my razor knife, and that just pulls off like that. You want to leave a 1/4 inch into the box like that for code. Take off the sheathing, take off the plastic around the ground. Okay, now this one you can leave the wires a little shorter. I'm gonna put this right here, see if I can keep it posted on there so we can watch. Let's see here, so that we can keep watching me. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay, so I like to leave just a little less on this, and you know, it's not the, yeah, because it can't fit into the box. So I only cut just a few inches on this one for space. And then do your curl like we showed to wrap around the screws. I like to strip a good 1.25 to 1/2 off and then wrap, make a coil. The reason you want to strip a little bit more is because you want that copper to go around the outlet. Okay.